dear students, let me proceed further, and now this is the complete picture, as you can see, which discusses about the denotative function of the Nyaya school in simple words. So, let us have a quick look at it, and if this picture you are able to understand, trust me, tomorrow if there is a question or somebody asks you as to what exactly is the denotative function as expressed by Vishwanath Bhatt in his book Nyaya Siddhanta Muktavali, you would be able to respond back to them in this particular manner. So, let us have a look at it. Now, here you will see that yes, I have divided this particular entire picture into parts. So, you can see this divided line on one side, on the other side I have given to you first person and second person, which means that now I have entered into that public domain wherein the importance and the practical aspect of the language is going to be shared, and then we are able to understand and see what exactly is taking place when Vishwanath Bhatt discusses about the denotative function of the Nyaya school. So, let us have a look very quickly. First person, verbal plus sound is there, so word takes place, and this is due to the external object. So, external object is being identified with a word. Now, remember names and everything at the background, I am not going to repeat that one. So, this is taking place out here with the help of the first person, and with the help of the recollection of the word calls out the other person with the name. Alright. Now, this is the first level of the denotation. So, what is happening then? Now, let us see what is taking place in the second person when the second person hears out. So, what is he hearing? He is hearing, he or she, whatever it is, now is the name, and this name is nothing but the word. Therefore, this identity sign is present. Now, remember this identity sign is again the same which Frege discusses in his paper Sense and Reference, and he says that I am more interested to understand that identical relationship. So, here comes in the identical relationship given to us by Vishwanath Bhatt also. Indirectly he talks about, and he says that name is nothing but it is identical to the word. So, what happens then? Gets a name to be used, that is what one you have to understand immediately, and refers to the sound which is the verbal one, and knows that this name is given to him through the concept of the word itself, and he is able to see it. Now, through the words he is able to again come back and say the recollection of the words, and he is able to respond back. This will become the second level of denotation for us. One we have seen in the first person and the second person, and you will see that both of them are at the same level. So, what is happening? One is the causation of calling out the name for a person, and other one is giving you the responsive aspect or the effect. So, one is the cause, the other one is the effect, and this turns out to be the third level of the denotation. Now, this is something which is missing in Frege and Russell as well as Austin. So, here you can see that there are three levels of denotation. First level of denotation, here it is. Then we have seen second level of denotation with help of the second person, and how the third level of denotation is coming with the help of the response. So, here we can see completely that operative, it is operationalism, number one. Number two, there is the significatory functions. Now, what are those significatory functions? These are nothing but the significant functions of the soul, mind as well as the intellect, plus we can see the practical application of the word which is taking place in the real world. In that way, I call the entire theory that has been given to us as operationalism plus significatory functionalism is also there. Then the practical or the applied aspect of the words which is present in the reality. So, this is all that you have to understand with reference to the denotative function of the Nyaya school in simple words. So tomorrow if you get a question or somebody asks you what exactly it is, you are supposed to able to give it out the entire thing out here in this manner. So this is how I would like to discuss it, and let me proceed further in my next part, wherein now we will see the description of the verbal knowledge, and I have completed with the denotative function of the Nyaya school also. So we will see more aspects of it which are coming in, and we will see how the discussions and difficulties and how Nayayikas are going to answer those difficult questions also side by side. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.